Okay, I'm so tired. A little bit active now. I've been tired though. Shit. And then somebody's asking, did you make money here doing live? I said no. 2 weeks? 2 months? No. I didn't make money anymore. Di ba, Chris? Oh, really? You're doing IG now? Oh, that's why you're there? Really? Oh, direct to the people now? Really? I know, they change. A lot of change on TikTok. Not like before, more exciting. That's why I do live on the other apps. It's more exciting there. But you have in there when I'm doing live, you know. Thank you, Stephen. How did you get money? Well, on TikTok, I don't make money here. If no one's giving a gift, no, I don't make money. Sometimes there are people they're asking about PayPal, Cash App, but they don't doing that. Oh, thank you, Stephen. I don't. Not like before, you know. Before, I make like $100 a week, $100 in 2 days. But right now, nope. Not anymore, baby. Aray, giapay. Yes, I'm gonna be a favorite. What is your favorite? Stephen. I know. Wait, 65. It's getting better. Last time, 70%. 70% actually. Before. Thank you, Stephen. Who's your favorite now, Stephen? Anna? I know that already. You're her you're the sniper. Sniper on the other side. It will keep up till I know. Wait, on the other apps? Nice. That's why I'm gonna see till I hope tonight I can do live. But I have to take my kids early before I'm gonna do live there. Side favorite. Which one? Chris, si Abandon. Blue one is 29%. Gino. Huy, happy Valentine's everybody. Bang Taxi Gaming. Sige na, Chris. Chris, oh. Chris, puna sila, Chris. Give it away. Katawa naman ng Quaker. Ikaw na labi, Quaker. Thank you, Gino. I-block lang na sila, Jen. Katawa naman noon siya. Kalamot ni mo ay. Wag jud pang inano ni Chris. Piskat ka, Chris. Inya lang ka. Di ka nangakuan sa po ang buang ka. Marilyn, ikaw babae ka pa naman. I do it na lang. Aww. It's my birthday. Thank you, Sir Jen. Thank you. It's my birthday. Hala, oy. I've been asking them. They're not answering me. Even Chris, he's my moderator, is not doing that. Sige na bang? Thank you, Sir Jen. Right up, clean up. Sige naman, Ninong. Panghatag po di ako on. Chris. Di mo ka manghatag, Chris. What's wrong with you, Chris? Lagi nang matigas na good si Chris. Si Chris said, I'm not gonna give you anymore. Diba, Chris? Istika niya, Chris. Ay, quicker. Ikaw na lang, quicker, ba? Nag-recharge ka na, quicker. I'm waiting. Quick. I'm waiting, quick. Thank you, Sir Jen. I'm clean up right now, ha? Patay lang yung bakterya ni. What are we waiting? My goal. My goal. My goal. Daddy. My goal, Daddy. Okay na. I'm waiting ba? Sige no. Sige no. Hangol naman kakaroon. Oh, you and Chris is getting ano. Getting ano na ba? Why? Sige na nga nino. Pangatag mo diha. Piste naman. Ay. Chantel. Chantel. Hey, you need the bathroom? You wanna shower? Shower time.
No, I don't like to shower.
Why you don't wanna shower time?
I don't like it.
You made the goal bigger. Oi! It's not. It's the same. Buang. It's the same price. I mean, same coins. It's just different design. My God, I would like to experience the new things. Damn it. Sige na nga no. Minsan na ba ako mga ito mga buanga ka? Ako, lugulugan ako ninyo, ha? I'm not asking every day. Oh, sambarig TikTok universe. Unya ka mo? Gakor. Gakor ka. What is that? What is Gakor? Diba? Look at my eyes. I'm gonna take a shower soon. My nose is getting long. Plastic. Fantastic. Tapay gito sa ko. Mananak ni.